Hi, Richa this side. Good morning to everyone, and you're the most welcome this platform as Awesome Blossom English Learner. So, my beautiful audience, now we will discuss about today how to gain the confidence, how to gain the confidence, how to build the confidence, how to generate the confidence while the speaking, while dealing, while any kind of business, how to deal, how to buy the confidence. You can do everything, whatever you want, but how to do it? Everyone has great knowledge, everyone has great craft, everyone has great attitude, but just because of lacking of confidence, that person cannot do any kind of things. What is the reason behind that? Where that person has lack of points. This is the biggest thing, is lack of confidence. If you're really very confident person, you can deal, you can put out your points whatever you want. You also can deal, you also can face, you can handle every situation by the confidence. You can manage all things. If you did speak wrong, you also come back your words by the confidence, because you know that everyone is not perfect, but everyone can become a perfect. How? What is the reason behind that? So why I just put the point of only and only build the confidence. This video is making especially for new YouTubers, because I can understand their problems. I can feel their pain, because I'm also not too much dilapidated YouTuber, but yeah, I can say that of course I can share my confidence. Confidence is the biggest key. If you want to do any kind of thing, by confidence you can take it. But how? Sometimes new YouTubers think, why have we not more and more subscriber? Why we also think like that? And just because of that, they are not gaining too much subscriber, and that's why they lost the hope. And because of that, somehow they are imbalance on the confidence level as well. And that's why if they think to create something, to initiate something, and that's why they are not able to do something new, because they think about them, we are not able to do these things, because maybe we have not good look, we have not good personality, we have not good content, we have not good atmosphere, we have not beautiful place, we have not beautiful dress, we have not beautiful makeup, my hair is not good. That's why. So this is the kind of a lot of YouTubers. They think if you have really very expensive life, if you have really beautiful atmosphere, you're looking so gorgeous, your hairstyles are looking dynamic, no matter. This thing is not important. Important thing is your content. Your content should be important, and your confidence. Your confidence a biggest key, and by the confidence you also can not think, no matter people watching my videos or not. When you will make your videos with consistency, definitely people will watch you, your tremendous work. People will watch you, your dedications. People will watch you, your incredible work. Because on the first video and second video or third video, after many videos, Definitely, you can enhance your knowledge. You can be automatically too much dynamic. But how? You have to wait for the day when your first video will be grow your first video in a whole light lake, and after that the day will be really awesome. For that day you have to wait for that day, and you have to keep patience, and you have to be great patience. And for that day you don't have need to break your chain, so chain that you already decided to make a video, but because of lacking of points you just drop your videos. Don't be think people are watching your videos or not, because audience is not a fool. I just wanna ask you one question. When you just go on the YouTube, at that time you will prefer easily to see all videos? No, you will take it a lot of videos and you just choose it first video. You just choose it by according to your taste, according to your mindset, which you decided contain what you want, and after that you prefer to see that video. No matter who is the YouTuber, matter is content. Okay, so you have to concentrations on the content, because this thing is actually last night when I was talking with my teacher of Vishu sir also telling to me that teacher, no matter if your looking is not good or not, your dress up is not well or not, it's not important. Important is what you are proceeding, your knowledge, your content, your confidence, your personality, your body postures will be accurate, and after that definitely audience will see you. But first of all, audience will prefer to you by the content. Audience will not prefer to you by looking. So I just thought definitely that was really good time with him. When I was talking with him as Vishu sir, at the time I knew, oh my god, seriously, he's saying actually right. And same things I'm also suffering nowadays. But seriously, to be honest, my beautiful peoples, I will not think that I'm doing right or wrong. Yeah, definitely I just try to make really good content. But yeah, sometimes we also thinking this is really good, sometimes we're thinking this is not good. So just try to do really very good points by yourself. When you are really very confident that your content is really good, and after that you can automatically be confident. No one has need to motivate you. But yeah, how? Just try to think first, and just try to make the video, and just see it and just upload it. Don't be think that you are doing right or wrong. Just try to make consistency, and just try to upload the video. No matter you are uploading on daily basis, in a week, in a month, no matter, but you are uploading. So just try to make a consistency. Just try to do hard work. Just try to do smart work, not a clever work. If you will think that if you just show your cleverity, definitely people's not a fool. People so much clever rather than you. So don't be think like that. You just think that if I am smarter, so definitely my audience, my peoples, my so much beautiful peoples like as you, they all are really very smarter than you, because you will choose by your audience, not your taste. So just think it, okay? And when you will proceed your content, at that time just try to take calm, really very peace of mind. Just do it. Don't be think something is happened can be wrong or right. But if you will not try, how can you say that you just tried in your life? No, not at all. So just try to keep your belief. Just try to keep your karma. If you will believe on your karma, on your hard work, on your tremendous work, definitely one day you will be successful. We will be successful. I'm not saying that I'm really very biggest YouTuber. No, I'm not biggest. But according to you all, you just think about me. I'm really very biggest in my life, because it's not small things. Nowadays people so much loving me, and that motivations, that's like, that subscriber so much loves me, and I will make a video on any knowledge, on any topic, on any things. But by my video you can learn a lot of things. At least you also can learn how to live the life, how to live long life, how to live if you have short life, but how to change your short of life with beautiful moments, with beautiful environment, with beautiful video of messages which I am uploading nowadays. Short life of a lot of people think that I will die so soon just because of I am cancer patients. I am affected from the cancer. I am affected from the pandemic. So don't be think you have short life or long life. It is really very matter that you have life and how much you spend on the enjoyment, how much you spend with gathering, with yourself, with your happy of life. Just try to think, and after that you can say that I love myself. Why? Because people love me, and that's why I also love to the peoples. So how to do that? Just try to believe on yourself, and just try to believe on your karma, and just try to believe whatever you are doing. No, whatever you are doing, don't be hurry. Just try to go on the flow and do it. If you take a stress, definitely by the stress you cannot do, but you just think it's okay, just do it. Definitely you can do that. By that things you can grab easily, gradually confidence level as well. So just try to value give yourself. Just try to think you are so much important. Because of you are proceeding the knowledge to the peoples, and by that things you also are able to face a camera. It's not easy to deal with the camera. It's not easy to familiar with the camera. But definitely why I'm here, why I'm really so much confidence, why I'm so much familiar with the camera, because I will not think that I'm just making a video on the camera. I just feel that right now I am with my beautiful audience. No matter that you are meeting with me offline, virtually, I just feel that all what is are in my heart, and that's why I'm just talking to you all. So please just keep in mind, if someone is liking to you or disliking it to you, there is two hands, likes and dislikes. So definitely same here, you have two vibes. First is positive vibes and second is negative vibes, but both vibes automatically in you. So it's up to you how to react. If you will react with the positive on the likes, definitely you can do. But if you will react with the negative on the dislike, no, why I'm doing, why will I make a video just because of people not prefer to watch me? Don't be think. If you thinking that people also disliking to you, why are you not thinking a lot of people also so much liking to you? And that's why they are choosing to you as a subscribe. That's why audience will subscribe your channel. So don't be think like that. And this video is especially for new YouTubers like as me as well. Second thing is about the confidence. So if you just try to lose your hope, don't do that. Never give up. Just do it. Just try to make videos. Just try to make new different of contents. Just try to create something new. Just try to search on the Google, on the YouTube, and after that you also can keep your points, whatever you want to say, you want to tell to your beautiful people, you can say. So for that things I have to go, and please if I spoke wrong, so definitely please forgive me. And if I just little bit spoke right, please like me, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. If according to you I just proceed some knowledge for the new YouTubers and they are losing the hopes, so please try to think and just don't leave your passion which you decided in your life, okay? Because life is really short, but yeah, life is really so much interesting. If you want, of course your life can easily interesting, otherwise your life can be harmful just because of your negative thoughts, just because of your losing of hopes, just because of you accepted actually your defeat. If you will accept your defeat, definitely audience will accept defeat rather than you. So just think about it, that you will accept your defeat, or you will accept your what successful of life. So till then, bye and have a great good day. Thank you so much, and please just try to keep your confidence level, because by the confidence you can do everything whatever you want. Just try to see about Milka, that person is a one of, and that person is crossed everything because he know I can do everything, and that's why he also work very hard. Just try to think. Okay, have a great good day and good night and sweet dreams. Bye.